Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Brown color, brown color. Green color, green color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And use red color, red color. A for apple, A for ant. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids night C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw T. T for dog, T for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids neither E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use blue color, blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids neither G. G for god, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The alphabets of I. Kids now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J. And use red color, red color. Kids again use red color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. The alphabets of K. It's neither L. L for lion. The alphabets of L. And use yellow color, yellow color. Kids neither N. N for nose. The alphabets of N. And use blue color, blue color. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids again use blue color and draw P. O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. Kids neither P. P for parrot, P for penguin. The alphabets of P. And use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw Q. Q for queen. The alphabets of Q. Kids night R. R for rose. The alphabets of R. And use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. It's night T. T for teacher. The alphabets of T. And here's yellow color. Yellow color. T for teacher. T for tiger. It's again use yellow color and draw U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. It's night V. V for van. V for vanilla. The alphabets of V. And here's blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. It's night X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. And here's yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw Y. Y for yak. The alphabets of Y. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. And again use yellow ochre color. Kids now draw numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use brown color. Brown color. O N E 1. 2. The numbers of 2. And again use brown color. Kids now 3. The numbers of 3. And use green color. Green color. T H R W 3. 4. The numbers of 4. And again use green color. Kids night 5. The numbers of 5. And use red color. Red color. F I V E 5. Kids again use red color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S I X 6. Kids night 7. The numbers of 7. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8. The numbers of 8. Kids night 9. The numbers of 9. And here's yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color. Last we draw 10. The numbers of 10. T, E and 10. Kids today draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.